So today I have some little helpers in the kitchen. My son Austin, my son Dallas, and my niece Harmony. We're going to be baking some cookies. We're doing quarantine because of the coronavirus. So we're just going to do a little baking. Right now I can only find stone ground whole wheat flour, so that's what I have to work with. My baking soda, my chocolate chunks, my salt, my vanilla, I have 1 egg, brown sugar, 2 sticks of butter softened, and we have our oven preheating at 375 right now, and we're waiting for that to get done. Meanwhile, oven's ready. Meanwhile, we're going to start measuring out all of our ingredients, and we'll go ahead and get started. One thing that I did want to note is I'm going to use my cookie thing with the thing to scrape the bowl out of KitchenAid. I forget what this is called, but it comes with a regular one like this, and I bought the upgraded one because this scrapes the bowl for the dough. Use it with brownies and cookies. It works excellent. Also comes with your dough hook, which I love this one. I use it to make noodles. There'll be a video coming soon of that. Stay tuned. And then it also comes with a whisk. I have a small bowl with 3/4 cups of the stone wheat flour because you have to use less, remember. And then I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of table salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Set this aside. Now we are to the KitchenAid part. Let's go ahead and add in 1 cup of softened butter. And I got my little bakers today.
It's hard. I just gonna pick it up.
Okay. And then we are going to add in a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of granulated regular sugar. Put that in there, kids. Good job. You guys are great.
Oh,
and now
so
we have
satisfying.
liquid.
Just looking at it.
And we have the liquid, 1/2 teaspoon. Now that we have all of those ingredients in the bowl, we're going to turn it on and beat it until creamy. The butter is going to incorporate with all of the dry ingredients that we added in there and the splash of the liquid vanilla that we added in. And we're going to just let the KitchenAid do its thing until this is nice and creamy. gonna take our chocolate chunks and we're gonna drop that bag in there and let it incorporate into that dough. It'll make a little funny sound. It's just those chocolate chunks. This KitchenAid can handle it. And there you have it. There's our cookie dough. Now we'll put it in the oven at 375 and I'll show you the final product. Now that our dough's done, I've got my favorite little KitchenAid tool out. You just grab the cookie dough. And you just go like this. Squeeze it and it. Okay, so this little cookie dough thing is just trying to do this one-handed. I need to get a camera set up. Okay, so now we have all of our cookie dough onto our baking sheet and we're going to put it into our oven at 375. So here we have our cookies. I'm just going to take my spatula and transfer them to cooling racks. And there you have it. Whole wheat chocolate chip cookies.